is Ronnie Cole. I'm an associate professor with Southside Virginia Community College. We have a MakerBot 3D printer. We have, of course, some filament that's being fed into what's called an extruder, head and nozzle, and we have a build plate. Basically, a 3D printing machine takes a file that's drawn in a CAD program, which is computer-aided design, and it actually takes that file and produces it into an actual 3D object. The way this machine operates is pretty simple. It kind of works like a hot glue gun. It takes the filament, and when it comes through the extruder head and nozzle, it actually heats it into a condition that makes it very pliable, and it heats it to about 230 degrees Celsius, which is approximately 460 degrees Fahrenheit. And in that state, it's able to take the substance, the PLA filament, and actually draw with it. And that's where the build plate comes into play. The build plate will actually raise and lower depending on how thick the object is. The extruder nozzle always remains fairly close in contact when it first starts printing to the build plate, and as it draws and layers the particular object that's being drawn, the build plate lowers as the object gets larger. You can load files on what's referred to as an SD card here on the machine, or you also have an option of connecting your computer, and you're really limited to a couple of things. One is, of course, size, and basically the size of a shoebox, so you couldn't print a huge object, but you're also limited by your CAD design capabilities. So pretty much anything you're able to draw in a CAD file, you can create and print into a 3D image. So this is my beautiful daughter, Abby, and Abby was born without fingers on her left hand, and using 3D printing technology, we were able to create a prosthetic hand for her, and she's displaying one hand that we created. So everything you see here in blue and white is 3D printed. The tips are black, and that's for grip. What we did with that is we used pliable rubber tool dip, just so that it would create some friction when she grabs something with it. And so, like I said, everything is mechanical and very affordable. So it works on the principle of mechanics, and it's designed to where when she moves her wrist downward, the fingers will actually close, and when she raises her wrist, the fingers actually open. So with that mechanical motion, she can use it to grab certain things and whatever object that she's, of course, limited within reasonable weight. And the plastic is fairly durable, and the good thing about it is there's no batteries to operate and no electronics. If she were to break a finger, or if it needs any kind of adjusting, we'll just print out a new piece and adapt it from there.